Prince Harry and Meghan Markle reportedly began to discuss having a separate life outside of the royal family shortly after their wedding. The Duke of Sussex had already begun to carve his own niche by working in the military and working on mental health charity alongside Prince William and Kate. Expert Nielsen suggested a special picture of Prince George was the final sign that Prince Harry and Meghan could not be the superstar of the British monarchy as the focus moved to younger generations of the family. Speaking on his YouTube channel Nielsen's Daily News Headlines, Mr. Sean said, Harry and Meghan had decided more or less within the first few months of meeting that they could have a different life. It wasn't exactly mapped out what we ended up with, but certainly for Prince Harry, he wanted to have a different role in his life. They'd seen that already by him trying to branch out within the military and, of course, alongside Kate and William he started those mental health charity and Remy and things like that, so it wasn't really this particular picture. I do believe that it could have been something of a wake-up call to realize that perhaps he and Meghan would never really truly be the superstar of the British monarchy. That's not to say. In December 2019, Buckingham Palace released a series of pictures featuring Prince George alongside Prince William and Prince Charles with the Queen. The three closest in line to the throne also appeared in a candid video with Her Majesty, which commentator interpreted a nod to the future of the royal family. Mr. Sean added, they decided that they wanted to change their direct lifestyles and so by doing that, the photo, they realized they could do something. Royal author Robert Lacey claimed in his book Battle of Brothers that the infamous photograph was Prince Charles' idea to highlight the slimming down of the future monarchy. He said, what a fascinating and historic image to remind us of the essence of the royal system. The current monarch with three future monarchs. All the livers, and not a suggestion of a spare. According to Insider, this formal photograph, taken in the Buckingham Palace throne room a week before Christmas 2019, was the idea of Prince Charles, anxious to promote the cause of the slimmed down monarchy. Palace sources have also let it be known that the plan of depicting the direct line of royal succession was enthusiastically supported by Prince William, which might be seen as sending his younger brother a message. Speaking earlier this year, ITV's royal editor Chris Shipp said, the portrait at Buckingham Palace released to mark the start of the decade. It was the Queen and the three future kings, and there was also a bit of a video of them during Christmas pudding. I am not saying they were cutting Harry and Meghan out because it was a brutal fact that Harry was never part of that line of succession. But the start of the decade, it felt like the royal family was very much focusing on the future, the Queen and her 3 years.